am inviting you. Don't care what people say and judge you about you.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कितने से आए हो भाई साहब, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। एक एक्टर हूं।
जिंदगी बड़ी जालिम है ना मेरी जान?
దొరికిందటగా గొప్ప చేసి మమ్మల్ని ఇద్దరిని
Like many of us travel and food blood, Ashish Vidyate!
कोई भी मीटिंग ईटिंग का बगैर नहीं होता। I have never ever traveled like this before in my life. काम के बीच में हमको जिंदगी में कुछ अमेजिंग चीजें ढूंढनी है। Whatever is your age, plus जिंदगी।
स्वागत नहीं करोगे आप हमारा?
टाइम था कि अक्खा मुंबई में विठल गाण्या गराज विठल गा So, dear friends, welcome. Okay, so let me tell you a little background about me. I love to connect dots and have conversations with people. And a critical part of this is an avid minor pathway conversation. So definitely not a speech in which there's just going to be that. I really want you to be with me because this is a conversation about somebody who is sitting in your seat. All right? So I begin this conversation with the basis of, boss, I have a feeling that this may give away any time. Huh? Just be careful of the stage. Is it okay if I step down? Will there be a possible? Zyada problem to nahi ho raha? Yeah? But I don't want to cave in. I don't want to, yeah, at least I'm telling about me. And you be careful when you get on the stage. Vijay, you're okay. You'll be fine. Okay, but people with my girth and the volume that we bring, we should be careful, right? So recently I was doing a show in one of the cities and I found it cracking and I just kept saying it's cracking. Then I got off and it broke. So as you say that you should fail fast, yes? Yeah, I'm applying it in life. So when I say welcome to a celebration, it is at the core of how I look at life. Because all of us are dealing with stuff in our life. Yes or yes? And still I want to begin with a celebration because let's see a connect between whatever that we are dealing with and the celebration. So I will say that consider each one of us, no one excluded, is celebrating 3 chances. And let me share with you what those 3 chances are. So the first chance, okay, I'll speak it from me so that you don't get upset, but some people get touchy about this thing. The first chance that I want to celebrate, and I celebrate every day, is the chance that I was born. You're aware that you were born by chance, right? Yeah. No, I just wanted to check. You know, some people are, why are you talking about it like that about my parents? Not in my parents' case. Oh, it was that some report. And they said, oh, yaar, abhi. And somebody was buying mithai, good news mithai. But they were very upset. But you and I were born. And I really celebrate the fact that I was born. Imagine the number of combinations and something else could have come out. I promise that thing couldn't be as good as I am. And I'm humble. So I want you to really get that This conversation is about you and I getting that we are born. I don't take that for granted. The second chance that I celebrate is thanks to COVID. Do you know many good people are no longer around us? I mean, like good people. Not the kind of people you will say used to drink a lot, drive fast, didn't save money. No, good people. Didn't drink, never drove. Look what happened. They left. Some of you were in hospital, say yeah. All right. Oh, just a few. Wow. Scrum knew the antidote. I didn't know that. Oh, it should be. Okay, got it. Okay. Well, I was there. I came very close to leaving. So I'm really thrilled that I'm around. Like, the famous me was born. Oh, wow. Then the famous me is still around. Wow. And the third chance, my friend, that I celebrate every day is that I celebrate this moment in my life. And these are a series of this moments that I get an opportunity to do something amazing with my life. Just a quick question. Can you see yourself celebrating these three chances? Yes or yes? Because, my friend, let's not take ourselves for granted. You know, we are so used to saying that don't take the other person. No, I'm saying stop taking me for granted, and you're telling this to me. That A, I was born. Who's born? B, I'm still around. And C, I'm here at this moment, and a series of these moments make my life. And therefore, can we read this together? 1, 2, 3. Can we read this together? 1, 2, 3. Which life? This life. Look, each one of us would have wanted something better, yes or yes? Guess what? This is what we have. Take it or leave it. Jayenge to nahi. We will use it but complain about it. That's a joke. So I went to this very interesting large gathering. Ma'am, why are you so serious? Because you're sitting right up front. No smile on your face. Better now. She just wanted attention. So, no, you did want. So I'm just going to look at you the rest. Now she's saying I'm hard of hearing. She could hear everything that I said. Please don't take it otherwise. Did you take it otherwise? Why not? I was pulling your leg. See, the point that we need to get is that it is our thing to... So I went down to this very large senior government gathering. And then the top people, they asked us, can we just meet a few of the minus ones? I said, sure. We met them, and they told me the troubles that they are having with life. It's like amazing troubles. Because in that city, you know, there's a lot of waterlogging, so they get delayed to drop their kids, and then they have to come to office. You know, and then they have to go back, there's traffic, you know, so much. I said, leave your job. Now, that wasn't an option for them. Their option was to come to work grumpy, be grumpy, then leave, go home, possibly grumpy. Yeah, the same way. Yeah. So I was just checking that I'm at the right place or not. Okay, all right. So it turns out that fraternity is large. Yeah. Different company, different city, same me. Exactly, my friend. And that is why this conversation is a choice conversation. This conversation is your choice. Just checking, does this inspire you? Does this inspire you? Yes. Because the point you got to get is that if it inspires you, it is achievable. If it doesn't, forget about it. Because for me, that is what really attracts me to life, which is making whose life amazing? So, this is something, we'll come to that later. Is this true? Yes or yes? Yeah, okay. Now I'm just coming down to brass tacks. और कोई इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है. I mean, it's very painful truth. But nobody's interested. You may think your manager is. You may think your parents are. At best, oh, तो सवाल ही नहीं. At best, everyone else is worried for you. The more they love you, the more they are worried. And the more they are worried, the more they make your life, you know what. Oh, why are you doing that? Because I'm worried for you. Why? So the game is very, very simple and straightforward, my friend. You want to alter it, the game will happen here because there's no one more committed to you than this guy. Who's that person? Thank you so much. So please get it. This entire conversation is about a story. And that story happens to be. And this is all about how hungry am I to alter my future story. Because each one of us sees our life going in a particular way right now. Yes or yes? You have lived enough, you have worked long enough, you're scrummed through life. And could have been better, right? Yeah. Same here. And that's the important part. For you to really get that life, where it's heading, I really want to alter something about it. And therefore, this conversation is about your hunger to alter your possible future. And therefore, I begin my story. A quick check. Anyone from Delhi? 11 of you. Okay, yeah. No, one of them is hiding, still hiding. They'll come out later. These Delhiites come out later. Basically, just to let you know, this event is not for the 11 of you, for the rest of you. Love you. The reason is, I can't handle Delhiites. Abhi nikla. And the reason is, I am from Delhi. This is the ultimate imposter syndrome. अपने जैसे लोग पसंद नहीं अपने को. But I'll tell you why. See, if anybody asks you, where are you from? So, where are you from? अच्छे से हाथ नहीं उठाया था. मैं बोला था ना, इधर से हाथ उठाया था, इधर से हाथ उठाया था, इधर से, हल्का से इधर से, नीचे से हल्का से उठाया था. So, where are you from? हाँ, कोलकाता. क्या बोला? कोलकाता. कोई बोलेगा अहमदाबाद. दिल्ली वाले तो पूछो, where are you from? Delhi. उठा के देते हम लोग, Delhi. We kind of first proud of it and then we show off with our Delhi. And all of you are like, Delhi? Whoa, Delhi. You're majorly impressed. So I do that thing. When I'm with people like you, where are you from? Delhi. You're like, whoa, Delhi. Except when a Delhiite comes up. Delhiite idhar bolte, kidhar se? Where from? See? So I have to admit, I'm from a place called Lakshmi Nagar. Control yourself. Control yourself. He's the one.
This feels like stand-up comedy.
Yeah, it feels like stand-up comedy. Well, that's my life. Thank you so much. It is stand-up life. I am from a place called Lakshmi Nagar, and that place, these guys called Jamna Par. So to educate the rest of you who are not from Delhi, Delhi has a river called Yamuna Ji. What is it called? But what is the word written there? Jamna Par. So Yamuna Ji is a lot of respect. Yamuna Ji. But we are not from Yamuna Ji ke us par. We are from Jamna Par. Jamna Par also has this gesture associated with it. Jamna Par. It's like looking down. In English, it's Trans Yamuna. So people like us who are here, we get this slap. Trans Yamuna. So there I was in Trans Yamuna, in Jamna Par, looked down upon, and I myself was looking down upon me. But I realized that I have a dream for me. Something which I really wish to do. And I discovered nobody else was committed to it. So one of the things that got clear for me from there on in life, that actually it doesn't matter where I came from. The only thing that matters that I've discovered in life is this. Can we read this together? What matters is, so that direction is what is going to alter your life from here on, my friend. It's not about what has happened. It is not about the things that have happened. I'm sure at this very moment, each one of you has your own Jamna Par. Something that you are ashamed of. People have rubbed it in. Education, university, family. Possibly your parents could have bought some more property. Uncles have bought it, why didn't you? Then I would not have been going through this scrum in my life. You feel like the scum with the world, doing this scrum. Huh? Yeah, we're all feeling that. It looks like stand-up comedy, no? That is sit-down comedy. So this is what altered my take about what my life is going to be, because I got whatever be my past, I got to drop it right now, and that's what I'm inviting you, dear friend. Drop your Jamna Par at this very moment, because you can alter everything that is possible from this very moment by deciding which is the direction that you want to go in. And therefore, that's where I headed. Kutte ki maut means death of a dog, sir. For those of you who don't understand Hindi, which happened to be my first film in Hindi. And some considerate friends asked me, finally you got the role that you wanted. Sir, I'm looking at you. Yeah, thank you. Please return my favor. Thank you so much. You were saying, okay, go on. You can do better. This is as good as it gets, sir. So Kutte Ki Maut was my first film, and obviously you all would have seen it. But one thing is there, scrum or no scrum, you guys don't lie here. Because Kutte Ki Maut was the first film that I got, but it never got made. But apart from all the humor I want you to get, I went to Bombay after telling everyone in Delhi I got a film called Kutte Ki Maut. Boss, main role karne wala hu. And guess what? That film didn't happen. Can you believe it? Going from Delhi after telling Delhiites, main both film karne wala hu. And they said, beta picture ka band ho gayi. So one of the things I want you to get is that, you know, Bombay is known as the city of dreams. It's not. Mumbai is a city which believes in people who dare to stay after their dreams are shattered. Just checking. You want to clap? You want to clap for yourself? Because each one sitting here has a shattered dream. Yes or yes? In fact, don't you have shattered dreams? In plurality. And the most amazing thing in life is that first word. What is that first word? Beyond! Because you didn't care about my shattered dream, why should the world care about your shattered dream, my friend? Life is about when you can go beyond your shattered dreams. That is... Otherwise, you're just... boring! And the best part is no one's listening to you. Yeah. You know Rohindra Nair, right? Oh gosh. These guys don't... You don't know Rohindra Nair? You know Virat Kohli? Yeah. Don't shout, ma'am. Why are you shouting? She's shouting and winking also. Ah, Virat Kohli. You know what? Rohindra Nair is one of the finest batsmen in the world. Ask his mother. It's only because of politics he's not gotten ahead. And the pitches. And his form. All these situations, had they been under control, he would have been better than Virat Kohli. Does Virat Kohli's mother have to deal with any such thing? Does she have to clarify to you? No. Welcome. Remember, my friend, the only thing that matters is what you deliver. Your stories can remain. Your valid stories can remain. It has no consequences. Because as I remained in Mumbai after that, I got my first film which got made, released, and I got my national award for that film. And that film was Dhroh Kaal. And after I won the national award, my director, Govind Nehalani, called me up and he says, congratulations, Ashish. Go and book mainland China. Everyone's going to be there. Can you believe what a feeling I had? Can you believe it? National award. The entire industry is going to be there for my party at mainland China. The only problem was I had no money. You know, it's never more evident how poor you feel in a rich industry, where everybody in the industry is coming to party after you won the national award for which you got paid no money. Okay? And one of the key things that I got there was the most horrendous thing that a person can go through is failure when, let's be absolutely clear, when there's no money. When there's no money. So when somebody said in an American film and said, show me the money, okay? He actually spoke your lines. Because each time this person, whoever is your manager or whatever, is talking to you, you're looking at his eyes or her eyes and saying, show me the money. Show me the money. And if you ever articulate that, she will explain to you, it's not all about money. Yeah? Do you understand? We are all doing an emperor's dance. If it's not about money, she would forsake her year's salary, which she won't. Or which you won't. Just get that, my friend. In life, you don't get what you deserve, okay? So in case you're in that zone, I deserve it. Who cares? What is that guy's name? I said, Rohinton? Yeah, it thinks he deserves. You guys don't think. You're heartless people. You don't think he deserves, okay? In life, you actually don't get what life is only about that. Yeah. You can clap for yourself because you actually know it. So this conversation is for you to afford, not just in terms of monies only, afford that you kind of make yourself so big that you can play the biggest of your games. And that's how, over this period of time, I did about 40 odd films, in the 90s. And I said that I really wish to do a lot, and became famous, and then I had people asking me this question, but that's okay, when will you do good work? Because remember, anything that you do, there are people who are saying, okay, but what next? Now, one thing I know, that conversations will continue. There's one thing called your life journey, and then another thing called conversations. And the best part is sometimes we start participating in the conversations about us. Somebody saying, when will you do good work? And then you say, yeah, when will I do good work? The manager is still standing there and saying, when will you deliver? And say, when I get good work. So it's that cross purposes. There's this conversation happening, I'm participating in the conversation. And then there's this beautiful line. Has somebody spoken this to you? Okay, haven't you spoken this to you about you? Don't I think I'm undervalued? I'm undervalued. They don't value me as much as they should. This is the most amazing thing. You get paid whatever you get paid. A person walks up to you and says, hey, how's your day? What's your take home? You say this and that. What? Seriously? Don't you think you deserve more? After that, guy goes off to his filter coffee. He's upset with his life. But he is happy because at least he's made one more person unhappy. He feels, मैंने ज्ञान बांटा, किसी और को भी involve किया दुख में, दर्द में. Do you understand my pain? I have found another scrum in my life. So my friend, that's one line that devalues whose life? My life. It's the most amazing line. That person is not giving you another option, okay? He's not giving you a raise, no. He's just telling you you should get more. Most probably that person wants your job. You should quit. and tell me when you quit. Because by that time I'll apply and get in at 10% less. It's okay. I want to grow in the system. So I don't discuss in life. I don't discuss myself. I play. Because in life I have a choice, I've understood. Either I am a commentator, and I'm a good commentator. I should know what how Virat should have played. Yeah? You know, he should have done this. And I think post-marriage something's happened. You know, like we have everything. We have a view about everything. But I value the player. And that's why I am the player. I get hit when I play. I fail when I play. I manage to get injured when I play. I also manage to win when I play. The commentator doesn't. The choice is very, very clear. Are you willing to be the player or be somebody who is commenting, not just on others, actually on yourself? I'm leaving you with a series of questions that's up to you to choose. Because I have gotten that the past is history. It's gone, done for. The thing that you feel sorry for is done. The thing that you feel sorry for me, is also done. But the only thing that I have at this moment is, can we read this together? 1, 2, 3. Action in the isi mauke par babu. Yeah, I feel, because just to let you know, I have a lot of things that I'm upset about. And that's the reason that I'm at it. Because I know that if I do not like this present, I have to be action, because this is my game. What next? Whatever has happened up till now, got it, well done, feeling very sorry for yourself. But my game is in construct of that amazing what next. And this is something which I want to share. So years back in Delhi, I saw this beautiful ad. Anybody remembers which this ad is? Tata Steel. So Tata Steel had this ad which said, we also make steel. In Hindi it said, hum ispat bhi banate hain. Now it struck me. A company which says its name is Tata Steel, what does it make? And he says, we also make steel. Hello? What are they talking about? Of course, their story was vast, where they said that how they create cultures, how they create and impact lives. But you know, at that point, as I was on a DTC bus crossing the ITO bridge, as I looked at it, when I read that, we also make steel, I got that, you know what? I can also be many things. My friend, at this very moment, do you get that there is more to you than Scrum? As sorry that you feel for yourself, God bless you, don't you want to give yourself more opportunity, more possibility as a human being, to be an enriched person, to know that you have facets? Scrum happens to be one of them. I discovered at that point that there is more to me than, forget what others. It's not what others don't see in us, I don't see in myself. And that is when I began my odyssey, my search, my want to do more with my life, and I started expanding my world. And I reached Madras after doing 60-odd films here. I'd become a well-known actor. My name was Ashish Vidyarthi. They used to call me Ashish Vidyarthi Ji. I come out of the Madras airport, that time was Madras airport. I come out with my assistant and my makeup person. We walk out and I see a taxi driver holding this placard. Definitely not good for the ego. Hurt me, hurt everybody. But I wanted to redeem. I walked up to this man. I said, all right, he made a mistake. Give him an opportunity. I walked up to him. And I said, Ashish Vidyarthi, with a lot of respect, which I deserve. Ashish Vidyarthi. He looked at me with zero respect. His eyes were absolutely like devalued eyes, looking at me. And then he says, Bombay film actor? With a lot of dignity, again I said, yes. Then he said, put the placard down, says, sit in car. The critical thing I discovered at that moment was this. So, Andheri West is a portion of Mumbai. Yes, clap for yourself. Yeah. I discovered I was world famous, but in one pin code. In this entire vast world. My friends, the catch in life is to discover as soon as you can that if you think you're very important, you're only important if actually you're impacting the world. And as I moved from there on, I discovered I was actually a minuscule one, wanting to do amazing. So I started moving. And as I moved, I discovered new horizons. So I did numerous films. In fact, just to let you know, I've done 350 plus films and died in 11 languages. Thank you for clapping at my death in so many languages. But you know, I discovered that there is more to me, there are more possibilities. And that is when I got that I actually am not one recipe. Consider Scrum for you is one recipe. One aspect of you is that. Imagine you are a chef and many recipes are possible. And that's when, around the year 2006, I started impacting organizations by having conversations like this. And then again, the conversations continued. You are at it, Ashish, huh? You're still at it, huh? And normally when you say you're at it, you'll go, no, not like that. It's just that. I'm not at it. You know, you kind of diminish yourself. So I discovered freedom, and they said, you are at it, Ashish. I said, whose life is it? Salah, main nahi karega, tu karega kya? Are we getting it so? Yes, clap for yourself, my friend. The point for you to get is, each time they taunt you for doing something amazing, say you are at it. And that is how, over this entire period of time, at this age, you know, I developed a social media thing which I never had before. So be it over Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and all LinkedIn, etc. I started discovering facets that I never knew before. And so this is where I am, my friend. I'm the vintage of 65. I'm born in 1965. And I have the vantage of 24. In fact, I would say the advantage of 24. So the best of technology is available to this 65-born person. And I'm very clear that I will be exploring ongoingly facets. Are you up to it? Because the game in life is for you to explore facets unexplored. Because isn't this a fact for you? Check this out. Because for me it is. My present is very different from the future I thought of. Is it not so? You didn't foresee this. Well, if that is so, then I want you to quickly go through this part, okay? This is a very interesting thing. So I'll just take 5 more extra minutes, okay? Please allow me. Watch this. And as usual, nothing is playing. I thought that the earlier video also didn't play. Okay, no problem. Fantastic. You know, each one of us wants to go do something amazing with our world. There's a line from that film, which I just took out. The video didn't play, but no problem. It says, let the world change you, then you can change the world. And the critical thing that happened in this journey is that even as I, the important person that I am, went out to do something amazing in the world made amazing differences to me. I really got that there is more to me. There's also a stand-up comic in me. So at the age of 59, I'm a newborn stand-up comedian. This year, yes, thank you so much. This year, on 31st March, I did my first stand-up comedy show. And sir, this is for someone who's always killed on film. 99% as a villain. I never went to listen to a narration from a director. I would go and listen for my cremation. And I said that if I can let people know that, possibly I can be a stand-up comic. And therefore, when I did the stand-up comedy, when I told friends, you know what they said? Hey, sit down, Ashish. I said, wow, I like it. I'll take that name. Are you getting what I'm saying? The people won't stop saying, take the best from them, make it your title. All right. I discovered one another thing. You know, we all want to be different, yes or yes? I discovered one thing. I discovered there's no need to be different. You know what? It's possible, my friend. It is possible for each one of us to be amazingly me. And at 59, just to let you know, at 59, I'm not ready to retire. I'm just learning, hungry, and on fire. I'm very clear. कुछ खास करना है यार. बहुत हो गया. And just to let you know, something unique is coming up next. Okay, I'm pretty sure this video is not going to play. So I'll quickly play, yeah. So I'm kind of prepared, yeah. Hopefully. Okay? So I got very clearly that if there is something amazing that I need to do for myself, I got to do it myself. So you know what? Okay, let me just see if that works. Is something happening? Will something happen? Will it play? Will it play? Play करना है उसको. It should play. अबे नहीं, you got that got to play. Oh, not playing. So shall I tell you what this is? Today at 2 p.m. my first rap single will be released on YouTube. You hear something? This song is playing for you, just to let you know. There's a rapper.
दुनिया ने रोका मुझे मन की तू मत कर चल सीधे रास्ते पे दाएं बाएं मत कर कद है बड़ा तेरा तू साइड
Women.
कर खाना पीना नाच गाना बचपना मत कर नाम तेरा बड़ा है तू छोटा काम मत कर नीचे है जो तेरे बंदे उनसे मिला मत कर ये मत कर वो मत कर छोटे कदमों से चल छोटे सपने तू देख जो मिला उसी में खुश रहने की ट्राई कर ठोका ठोकी रुका रुके चल हर कदम पर रंग तेरा ऐसा है तो चल मत कर दुनिया ने सिखा यही सिखाएगी मत कर ज्यादा पाने की चाहत तू मत कर तेरी मर्जियों पे क्यों दुनिया करे तानाशाही कब तक सहेगा ये औरों की ऐसी मनमानी
Move it. अभी छोड़ दो अभी वापस ले आओ. Thank you. Thank you. हाँ इधर ले आइए बस इधर ले आइए. Very good. हाँ इधर ले आओ लाओ शाबाश. Very good. So one thing very clear. Making life amazing. Whose responsibility is it? Gail. My friend, don't wait for things to happen. The person who's going to cause that difference in you. I never imagined that I would be doing this. Never. I'm a person who was a student of science, then history, then histrionics, and now this. So as I complete this, I just want to let you know a very interesting story. Some years back, there was a tumult in my life, and my son and I were chatting. And he shared something very interesting. He said, Baba, you know, you're very lucky. I said, yeah, tell me. Of course I am, but tell me what. He said, Baba, you know, you've been doing the work that you love to do. And that's the difference between you and most people. Because you are doing a work that you love to do. And I said, okay, Mo, you got that feeling? He said, yeah, Baba, throughout life, I know. You used to go early in the morning, come back late night, this, that. You love that work. And you know what thrilled me? What thrilled me was that time Mowgli was 22. Now today is 24. Today is Mowgli's 24th birthday. He's working with somebody who's working with President Trump. His name is he works with Tesla. That's too much for you guys to compute so early in the morning. All right. So, one thing which I got is that throughout the time that he was growing up, he possibly did not hear me complain about my work. And I promise you, as a professional actor, even though acting is my profession and my passion, huge challenges. I did a whole lot of things that I didn't want to do. I met with a lot of people that I didn't want to meet. A lot of people let me down. A lot of things happened, obviously, right? Yes or yes? My point is, I felt really great at that moment that I did not complain my way through his childhood. Also, what I got is that I did not complain my way through my life. At this moment, my friends, I really want you to get your commitment to say amazing things about your life is going to either make you happy or unhappy. Because life is not going to change. If I really get that I will make this life special, that is what the thing is. So this conversation is for nurturing the nurturer. The nurturer happens to be the person sitting in your seat. Each time you injure the nurturer by saying rotten things about your day, about your work, it hurts you. Don't do that. It's very important that you take care of yourself. Say good things about yourself. I am so happy to be me, with my failures, with my pain, with my joys. I have a lot to create. Would you agree on that? Would you also agree, how will it be for you if instead of surprising others, this happens for you? And finally, I want to leave you with a thought. Imagine if this person who's nurturing herself carefully, taking care and yet working, doing amazing things, looks back after a year, and if you could say this about yourself, how would that feeling be for you? Amazing, I heard that. What else? Spectacular. What else? Great. Happy. My friend, this is possible. This is possible in our life when we can actually say good things about ourselves. You actually get the opportunity that you have, because there's too much gossip internally that we do with ourselves. Too much gossip. Saying bad things. How's life going? Yeah, it's bad. How's life? Yeah, man. You don't want to say it's good, yeah. One of my friends tells me, what is this? You talk positive. I don't talk positive. My life here. You want to say horrible things about your life, you do it here. Why should I say it? Well, everything is bad. Look at the carpet, bad. Look at the light, is bad. I don't know. I said, I'm walking over this carpet. Are you getting a sense? Don't join in the chorus which says bad things about your life. Be the standout. When people bitch about life, I get up. Gotta go, man. Because this is my life. I will say amazing things about it. And please get it, my friends. Each one of you, start recognizing the value that you're adding to this world. I promise you, you wouldn't be employed if you weren't adding value. So stop telling degenerative stories about yourself to yourself. Acknowledge yourself. Do you get that your contribution is amazing? Yes or yes? Yes. And then, after you get that, I want you to get, one day, again, I won't talk about you, I'll tell you about me. One day, one day I will die. I didn't say that. By the way, you guys know that you will die, right? Just checking, I didn't know that. No, what you've been promised in Scrum, I don't know. I'm just checking. So one day you will die. Okay, I will die. Imagine, you're upset and angry with this world. Horrible world. Horrible, horrible world. You're kind of just absolutely upset. You die and you reach heaven. I reach heaven. Not sure about you. I reach heaven, and in the distance I see God. Flowing robes. White, this thing. I start running towards God. I'm over it. I'm panting by the time I reach him. He's light. He's like floating. He reaches me before me. And then he asks me, I said, excuse me? Hello? No. So I just want you to get, who knows? Who knows? This is the best place in the world for each one of us, my friend. So at that note, I'll take your leave, knowing fully well that you will appreciate yourself. You will say great things about your life, because each happy you will add to the happiness of this amazing world of ours. Thank you for your time. Lots of love. And today, once again, I'll plug, follow me on Instagram on Ashish Vidyarthi 1. And today, on Ashish Vidyarthi Actor Vlogs, which is my YouTube channel, my first rap video will release. It's already available on audio platforms. It's called Tana Shahi. Lots of love. Cheers. Have an amazing one. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ashish sir. I just want to dedicate 2 lines after listening to this great session. Hope you all are also excited for that. So sir, in Hindi, I just wrote 2 lines backstage. कि चाय आए ना आए पहले चीनी आनी चाहिए, कि चाय आए ना आए पहले चीनी आनी चाहिए, और जिंदगी छोटी हो या बड़ी जीनी आनी चाहिए. Thank you so much, sir. I request.
I also want to take this moment to acknowledge my colleague Mubin, who didn't take the shots I wanted him to. So if you don't mind, can you just repeat the share once again? Mubin, ab on karo, please.
I request Suresh and Vijay sir to
No,
come.
first speak those lines na. Abba take 2 kar.
I'm not that good actor like you, no, sir.
Wohi wale chini wali line.
Let's hear once again, guys.
Chini wali line.
कि चाय आए ना आए पहले चीनी आनी चाहिए, कि चाय आए ना आए पहले चीनी आनी चाहिए, और जिंदगी छोटी हो या बड़ी जीनी आनी चाहिए.
We have heard it for the first time.
Thank you.
Love you.
Thank
I
you so
request
much, Ashish Vidyarthi Garu. And now I request our co-chair, Suresh and Vijay, to felicitate for giving us this amazing kickstart on a Friday morning.
Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. So in this moment, which is really, I'm feeling overwhelmed, but still I cannot miss that my name has been misspelled. Lots of love. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, no, I'll take this. Don't worry.